So hey, what's up guys? Today I'm back with a new Python tutorial video, and in this video I'm going to tell you guys about functions in Python. So functions are really helpful. You'll find them in most codes made by other people. So let's just get right into it. So first, a function is defined with the keyword def, and then you can name it anything. I want to name it help, and then you put parentheses and then a colon. Then you go on the next line and you press tab like you do in a if-else statement. And then in this hello one, I want to print hello. Now let me run this real quick. As you guys see, nothing happened because we're just telling it to print it. We're not telling it to execute it. So to execute it, you type your function name and then parentheses. And here you go, it printed out hello. Now I'm going to talk about a new function, which is return. Sometimes you just want to return it and not use it, and sometimes return helps when you can't print something. You'll get this kind of stuff in bigger code, like when you need to use return. Now let me run this again. It did not give anything again, cause now over here we need to print it. Now after we have returned it, it's not printing, it's just returning it to us, and you need to print it out. So yeah, there's a problem in return. You can never put code after typing a return statement. For example, if I try printing anything, H, it's not gonna be able to run it. See, it did not print H. So you cannot put any code after a return statement. Now let's jump on to parameters. So parameters are values that you pass in and then you can use them later. So it's simpler than anything. It's really simple. You just define it below and then you can use it. I'm just gonna remove these real quick. And so I want to pass in a name as my parameter, and I then want to use it after the hello statement. Print hello name, and down here I can pass down a name. So parameters are as easy as that. If you did not understand it, let me tell you again. So first, you give a parameter up here in your function inside the parentheses. Then you put it wherever you want to use it in your code, and then you pass it down here. So I'm going to pass amazing coder. Now let me run this, and it printed out hello amazing coder. So you can type big code with this. So let me just give a real simple code sample. So what if you wanted to make the age teller script that I've told in my earlier videos? If you don't know about the script, I'll leave the link in the description down below if you want to watch it. So if I want to type that in a different way, using a function, it would be much easier, I think, and much smaller. So I'm just gonna remove this and add a age parameter also to it. Yeah. So age is going to be equal to an input. So yeah. I'm gonna make another variable age1. Yeah, and that would be equal to input age. So age1 is equal to the input age, and then I'm gonna just copy this and paste it above this, because they're just saying the name before anything. Oh, or you could just make this age is equal to input age. Yeah, and then I will make this name is equal to input name. Oh no, I think you can define the same names. Yeah, then it won't work. I think you need to give those. So I could just define name and age like over here. Name will be what is your name, I'm gonna tell you guys another use of functions that people use totally really much. So yeah, and a question mark, and then I'll pass the second parameter. You pass different parameters using commas, and then I'm gonna I don't need a colon. Then I'm gonna type down what is your age, and then I'm gonna just put a space after this. I forgot to put that. And then up here I am going to print over here, print hi, and then space name one. Or I just want to test it. What if I just give it name? Will it work? I don't know. But let's just now the age of the script really simple. You do nothing. You just tell the age or to be on the next year, next birthday, and then what is your current age, and then you tell what's the age in the past. So first I'm gonna tell print you are 8 years old. Yes. Oh no. It's old. And also. Then I'll type print you will be age plus 1. Oh yeah, it's giving me an error because we not say to put age as an integer. Can I define it up here? Int age. Nope, it won't work. So I need to define it down here. Int age. Now it won't give me an error. So age plus 1, you'll be age plus 1 years old. You'll be age plus 1 years old. Next birthday. And I'm just gonna copy this and then paste it down here, and I'm gonna change you will be to you were, age minus 1 year. Okay, I need to put years old here. Years old. And then I need to put years old down here. Old last birthday. So I made the whole age color thing in like using a function, so that was pretty easy. So first it asks what's your name, amazing coder, and then it says hi amazing coder. So this was this executing right here. Then then it asks what's your age, 5, and then it says you're 5 years old, you'll be 6 years old next birthday, and then it says you're 4 years old last birthday. So this was all done in a function. That was pretty small and pretty easy. So as I said, I was going to tell another use of functions. So another use of functions is, I'm just gonna move that, then I'm gonna remove that. And yeah, think you were told. First, let me just do that. Print hello. Yeah. And now I need to put those things, the quotes. Print hello. And I'm just gonna copy this. And I'm gonna remove that. So think you were told to change what you type down like a million times. So you had some code over here like that. I'm just gonna type anything down. Then you had over here print hello. Oh no. And I'm just gonna copy this whole thing. and then I'm gonna paste this here, here, here. So think you're told to do this. You have like a bunch of code and you're told to change it all. First you had like print hello and then a bunch of code and print hello, and you're like, oh yeah, I did my code. Then someone came and told you like change the hello to all print hi, and then you're like, oh no, I need to sort that all out. But functions can really help in that. So if I could just change this to hello, let me just change that everywhere. Almost done. And I think this is the last one. Right? Yeah. So now you won't have much problem. And so you were like, okay, I did my code, and then someone came and told you, we don't need it like hello, we need it hi. So you could just simply change it here once, and then Python will sort it all out. So it's as simple as that. So guys, this was pretty much it for this video. So bye guys.